doesn't feel safe on the streets.
This damned city. Rats everywhere.
Hey.
It's going on forever.
That's a lot of opium. If I overload the pump, it's sweet dreams for everyone. There's a mechanism behind the tank. It must control the shutters.
I know Madam says to always look under the masks, but they're so paranoid.
It's best when they fall asleep before they finish.
Makes them easier to sketch, that's for sure.
It's been 5 weeks now. I didn't see Lord Van Vernon.
He'll be fine. Rich folks don't get the bloom.
It's his heart I'm worried about. Every time he sees me get undressed, I think he's going to die right there on the rug. Did you see Duke Thorburn tonight? With Madam's bonus for extras, I could milk that man dry. He keeps talking about his cousin in the treasury.
You'll need to watch the silks for a week if you milk anything out of Thorburn. But his boring friend Horatio What's-His-Name is here. That's 3 men this week who've wanted me to play a dock frock.
Poor boys. They can't get it dirty at home, and they daren't go to Skin Market for the real thing.
I really can't stand Lord Robert as a client. There's just nothing to work with.
Oh, you poor dear. I've heard it's like stroking a turtle.
Oh, I'll never look at it the same way again.
The only place we ever see each other is the gallows.
Worn out. Wonder what they put in the sloop.
Huh? Did I see someone? No more drinking before my shift. Rats everywhere.
Doesn't feel safe on the streets.
This damned city.
I'm told they've been burning the bodies in the open air.
How terrible. And where did they say this was happening?
Huh. Now that's a sight I'll not soon forget.
Hey, is that movement over there?
The Madam's chambers would be a good place to start. If I don't spoil the mood in here, I can fill my pockets too.
I think I spotted my cousin here. The mask is an improvement.
You're so cruel. Tell me about your cousin.
We still have our lives and most of our teeth. You're trying so hard to avoid my eye.
Come on, Susie. You know the Madam's rules. No touching the merchandise.
Well, perhaps when your shift's over, what will you do then?
I'll shuffle home. Dick and paw like always.
Smells terrible around here.
Hope it's not the gloom.
death would be a favor. I'm not alone! Go! I don't have much, but it's yours. I don't have much, but it's yours.
Scared, are you? Huh?
Get away!
What?
I have you now!
I don't have much, but it's yours.
Ooh, your first time, sir. What a delight.
What? How do you know? I'm wearing a mask.
It's not your face I was watching, sir.
Weather's turning.
I've done appalling things. And that's just since breakfast.
You should confess your sins to me, so we can do worse.
Now, what do we have
How long do we
here?
have?
It's coming loose. It's coming loose.
How will I explain these marks? You scratched me.
Say you went on a hunting trip and were savaged by a wild animal.
A hunting trip to Riverside? I've said too much.
What was that?
I'm told they've been burning the bodies in the open air.
How terrible. And where did they say this was happening?
Need more sleep.